ask yourself, how did he do that? Ladies and gentlemen, diving down into the aerobatic box with point balls, Adam Shake and Bake Baker. Hard pull, he's going to pull up to 8 to 9 G's during his performance. Watch, he goes into the vertical, into the gyroscopic flip at the top. Do not take your eyes off of Adam Baker. Into the knife edge all the way down. Right down off the deck, another hard pull. That's about 17. Right back up toward the sun into the blue Texas sky as he goes covered with that extra 30. That was a hard pull as he goes back into the vertical. Climbing up to the top, bleeding off the airspeed as he gets up there. And now he's spinning around the tail of the prop, complete gyroscopic flip. Adam is a first-generation aviator and holds an airline transport pilot's license and an instructor rating in both fixed-wing and rotor-wing aircraft. 5,000 hours of instruction given. As he turns that extra upside down and goes back wings level on the down line, here he comes. Adam Baker back into the vertical. Bleeding off the airspeed. Rolling back down. Took his first flight in 2005 in Stillwater, Oklahoma at Oklahoma State University. He knew after his first stall what he wanted to do with the rest of his life. He now has over 10,000 flight hours and more than 70 different types of aircraft, ranging from light aerobatic planes to jets, airliners, and helicopters. He and his wife Katie own a private aviation company based in the Dallas area. They travel across the United States with their sons, Jack and Wiley.